So, Oliver, me and you and many of us working on MR guided and MR RT, and we all know that there are some limitations. We publish a paper about the challenges. Now, I want to ask you. I mean, I think MR is fantastic modality to use in radiation therapy. Obviously, we know that because you just want to make sure that you have a tumor, see it, counter it and treat it, right? Right. What is the limitation? Why not we not using it? Why are we not using it for every center is not using it? Do we need to have MR only? One thing. Second thing is, do all the sites need to be used MR only? That's another question.
So, I mean, I don't think we all need MR only all the time, right? I think that's quite clear. There's definitely tumors that are more visible on CT. So then definitely if it's more visible on CT, don't go to MR. I do think MR opens up a lot of opportunity for certainly for soft tissue tumors, for moving tumors. But I must also admit that that last time I watched combing CTs and CTs has been slightly while back. So I think also what I hear from my colleagues is that combing CT has definitely in the onset of AI improved, and CT has also definitely improved. And there's this multi-energy CT that can help you distinguish tissue. So I think there's definitely multiple routes that can lead to a good treatment plan. But I do believe that MR has a big role to play because definitely for soft tissue, and for moving tumors, it allows you to continuously make images without giving your patient a dose. So I think also for moving tumors, there's a big opportunity for MRI, but also a big technological challenge to overcome because although some vendors offer it, not all vendors offer solid tumor tracking and gating, and it's also something you can only do when you have an MR-Linac if you want to use the MR to do the tracking and gating. So yeah, does that answer
It does, but I'm
the
going
question?
to kind of break it down into
Yeah.
pieces because we just want to talk about it. So, first question is how we can do, like, in your opinion, like we are basically brainstorming right now. How
Yeah,
you
yeah, yeah,
think
of
that we
course.
can make MR-Linac cheaper? You know what I'm talking about? Because
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah,
know,
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
that would
yeah,
be
this is a
lovely.
very important question, right? Because you have to compete with other modalities.
I mean, I'm not an expert on why an MR-Linac costs so much, but you would hope if more people that there's some margin of it being unique, so the more people buy it, it should bring the cost down.
What technology do you think we can use? Like you talk about the low field magnets. I think low field magnets is not that expensive, right? I mean, you can actually can build
No.
them. Now you can build them on top of the Linac, the regular Linac. So that actually, so most of the prices because we want to use, like say in Unity, we have 1.5 Tesla, right? What if we just basically just using a permanent magnet? So, or we designing some
Mm,
sort of in
yeah.
room MR, like these low magnets, like honestly, we can put them inside the bed. We can pretty much come up with something like a cone beam CT concept. What do you think